help you?
I can't hear you.
I said, can I help you?
No, thank you.
Okay, why are you taking photographs in my backyard then?
I wasn't.
You were.
No, I wasn't.
See that window there?
Yeah.
It's clear.
I wasn't taking photographs.
What did you do it?
You liar. Don't lie.
Fella?
You didn't see me taking a picture here.
I'm going to get very upset if we have this conversation and it doesn't go politely.
I'll take a photo now, watch.
No. Is there a particular reason you're doing it?
You can take photos. I didn't want to. I wasn't
taking. That
taking.
bike is illegal.
No, it's not.
100%.
How's it illegal?
Can you guess what my job title is?
What is it?
Qualified Stolen Vehicle Examiner.
And that's illegal?
Yes.
Prove to me.
Why are you taking pictures, mate?
I'm going to have to video this. He said this bike's illegal.
What, you took a picture of?
I wasn't, but he said this bike's illegal.
Alright, well, off you pop.
No, you off your pop. Cheeky bloke.
Cheeky?
You said I was taking pictures. I wasn't taking pictures. I had this in my hand.
What's wrong with that?
What's that?
It's private.
What's it a map of?
I can't tell you.
It's not private, is it?
It is.
Listen,
You
mate,
mean
do
it
you
might
need
belong
anything
to
from
you?
the police
Mate, he
station
said
that
I
we
was
can
taking
help?
pictures. I wasn't taking
Right,
pictures.
listen, do you need anything that we can help you with from the
Yeah,
police
just to
station?
get back to bloody work. Stop annoying me. He said I was taking pictures. I wasn't taking
Right,
pictures.
Listen,
No, you
do
listen to
need
me.
anything that we can help you with?
No, because look,
To one side.
he said I was taking pictures here, right? And I wasn't taking pictures.
Right, you've been asked, have you took a picture?
Pardon?
Have you taken
No, he
a
said
photograph of the police station?
he said he
It's
seen me
not
taking
illegal,
pictures.
sir.
I
You're
know.
allowed to take pictures.
So why-
There's
why-
not an
why
issue
get
with
your back up
I'm
over
asking
it?
you why. Right, you've got to understand that as a public organisation,
Yeah.
we are liable to threats from
Who are you
terrorism and
anyway?
stuff like that. We're the police.
Eh?
We're the police. Right. So
Don't
you
start,
understand?
Don't start doing things like that, mate.
Doing what?
We're talking to you like a
Doing things like
reasonable
what?
person.
Doing things like what?
Being ridiculous.
You're ridiculous.
You are after
Move it. Who are you anyway? You could be a cleaner for all I
Move
know.
it. Well, even if she is the cleaner.
I want to see who I'm speaking to.
This interaction escalates instantly, and that's the first red flag. A man standing lawfully on a public pavement is accused, without evidence, of invading someone's privacy. No greeting, no clarification, just an accusation. Notice how quickly suspicion replaces professionalism. From the opening seconds, this becomes less about public safety and more about control. And once an officer starts from a false premise, every step afterward compounds the problem.
I'm a detective sergeant in this police
How did you
station.
get to that role, speaking to members of the public like
Mate,
that?
I am not the person
Because
wearing
I'm not your
sunglasses in
mate.
the clouds.
I'm not your mate.
Do not start coming here and saying abusive
Don't come
things
onto the
to us.
pavement.
You are in public.
I am,
being
and you
abusive.
need to get.
You need to
Sir,
stop.
What? How
right
have I
now.
abused you?
Sir, right, just because you've got glasses on that record,
Yeah.
it's got nothing to do with the fact that you were stood over there.
I wasn't taking pictures.
Right,
I can
okay,
prove
if
it.
You weren't taking pictures.
Yeah.
Can you understand why taking pictures?
Well, I can prove that I wasn't. I can prove it.
Okay, that's fine. You weren't taking pictures.
Right. But you accused me of doing
I'm
so.
happy that you weren't taking pictures. If you told me that that's not what happened,
No, but you said you seen me doing it though, sir. You should have a better approach than that.
I'm going to take a big deep breath and we're going to start again. You were stood over there, were
Yeah.
you not? You had a phone out.
No, I
and-
didn't. I had the map in my hand. That's where you got it all wrong. You replay your cameras, right, and see what I had in my hand.
Okay.
So you've got the wrong
Say
attitude
for-
straight away.
Say, for example, you had your map in your hand, which you didn't.
Yeah.
But say you did.
I did.
Right.
You check your cameras. Have you got cameras here?
No.
You haven't?
No.
Is there anything we can help
You'd be
with?
better off
I've
going back
asked
to
you-
work.
No, if you wouldn't
I've
choose
You would
asked you
be.
3 times if there's
And I've
anything
said
we
nothing.
Can help you with.
So please, can you go back to
Do you
work?
need help with something?
No, thank you.
Can we go back and do our jobs now?
You should have been doing that from the first place, because he lied, saying he's seen me taking pictures. If you replay your cameras, right,
Can we
I
go
can
back
prove.
And do our jobs now?
I'm not stopping you. You're
so-
stopping yourself.
Can you not be at the back of a police station?
I was on the pavement. That's
No,
the
I'm not
difference.
saying you weren't. I'm
But I
saying,
can't-
can
if-
you not?
Yes, I can be here.
I didn't say you couldn't. I said, can you not, though?
Well, I can, yeah.
Have you got other places to be?
Not at the moment. I'm staying here
Right,
for a
okay.
bit.
I'm going to go back up there.
Yeah.
And I'm going to do that. If you do start taking pictures,
Well, I can take pictures. That's the difference. So what are you on about? If you carry on,
I'm not saying
you
you
need.
can't.
You've got anxiety issues, you mate. Having to
What
deep
I've
breaths.
got-
What's the problem?
it's people who don't listen and talk over me.
No, you need to
Problems.
start listening to members of
That's what
public.
I've got.
What's your call number anyway?
3633.
Are you a sergeant?
No, why would I
No.
be a sergeant?
Well, I need to speak to a sergeant because
Well, I've
you're.
just identified myself as
Walk
a
yourself
sergeant
around
and
the
you've
other
been
side,
abusive
Cockle.
to me
And
about it.
you think that attitude's okay from a PC?
I think he's trying to speak to you.
I'm on a
and
public-
you're actually being quite rude.
Yeah,
If
but
you
I'm
want to
doing
speak
nothing
to a
illegal
sergeant-
though, miss. You shouldn't approach people
I've
for...
told you that I'm a sergeant and you've told me to go back into my
Yeah,
office.
because I'm doing something legal.
You
You're
now
stopping...
want to speak to a sergeant. I'm a sergeant.
Well,
What would you like to speak to me about?
I want you to tell this bloke to stop accosting me on a public pavement, which I'm not doing anything illegal. If I'm doing stuff illegal, then you've got a right...
This officer is doing his job.
What talking to
He's
me like this?
maintaining the safety of the police station
He's
and
talk-
trying to find out
and
why you were taking
I'm not here
pictures.
to-
He's well within his right to do that. Please don't
But
interrupt me because you've
I can
asked me
interrupt you.
why he's
You've
doing
got
it.
you've got a horrible attitude, miss.
Find.
Calling a member of the public a liar without proof is not just unprofessional, it's combustible. At this moment, there is no evidence of photography, no recording, and no crime. Yet the officer escalates emotionally instead of verifying facts. This is where encounters often spiral. A simple question could have resolved everything. Instead, authority is asserted through accusation, and respect disappears almost immediately.
That's...
Of the three of us,
Yeah.
you're the only one that's shouting.
I wasn't shouting.
You are shouting. You're
I'm trying
shouting
to...
at
She
my
was
colleague.
shouting at me.
Right, fella. So you're not taking pictures.
Well, I can take pictures, but I wasn't. That's
Right,
the
so you're
difference.
not?
You need to check your cameras and just have a look. I wasn't taking
you weren't
pictures.
taking pictures.
No.
Right, that's fine. Can you understand why people taking pictures?
But you can
of a
do that
police
though as
station-
well
I'm not
if-
saying that you can't. Can you understand why people taking pictures of a police station may cause us to come out and ask why?
Yeah,
you
what,
understand-
so just
can you
for
understand
asking,
that?
yeah, I can get to that level.
Right.
But what I'm
So
saying
that's
is,
what I'm saying. So
if I
came out and
was
said,
right,
why are you taking
but if I
pictures?
was,
and then you said you weren't.
I weren't. But
Right,
you
okay.
said you seen me taking pictures. I just wish you could review your own cameras, right? Because you got one there, see, you got one here, and I can prove to you
Right.
that I wasn't. But I can do that if I wanted to. But
not saying
just
you
for the fact you
can't.
said that you seen me doing it,
I'm not saying that you can't.
that
take
is the
pictures.
worst part.
Can you understand why a police officer would
May
come out
ask, yeah, may
and
ask,
say
may ask,
why are you taking pictures?
may ask, yeah.
Yeah.
I can understand why you may
And
ask.
then if you say, I'm doing it for a perfectly legitimate reason, or I'm just taking pictures,
Yep.
or I'm not a security threat or a terrorist.
Yes, well, I'm not. That's
I
for
can
sure.
leave you be.
Am I right? I've got a bare face. I'm not trying to hide or conceal my identity or nothing. I'm
I've
just
not asked you
saying,
for your
when you
identity.
said you see me taking pictures, I wasn't.
Right, okay, and
I had a
that's
piece of paper in my hand, and that was it.
fine. And a phone.
No, but the phone in my pocket until you come over.
Right, okay.
That's what I'm saying. And then you said that I've got an illegal bike. That's not illegal.
Would you like to provide your details to us so we can
No,
stop
thank
checking
you.
to make sure that you're not wanted?
No, because
or
I'm not wanted. Who comes to a police station interested in a police
People do
station?
lots of very,
Well,
very
trust me,
silly
I can
things, you know.
guarantee you I'm not wanted. I've not done anything illegal today.
Are you local?
Pardon?
Are you local?
Today, yes. I'm enjoying my bike ride.
Are you a local gent?
No.
Are you a gent?
Pardon?
Are you a gent?
Excuse me.
I wouldn't like to presume.
Excuse me. I'm a male.
No, that's fine. So you're happy for me to call you a gent and sir and things like that?
Yes.
Yeah, cool. That's fine. Because you will tell me your name, so that's how I'll have to address you.
Yes.
By honorific. You happy
Okay.
with that?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So are you local?
No.
Right, okay, cool.
Anyway, I'm going to get on with my day.
Okay, you do that.
But, I'm not here for a security risk. I
No,
can
that's
promise
fine.
you that.
But you can-
I've got bare face. I'm on all your
You can
cameras, right?
Well, you're not got a bare face because you got your.
My glasses are, but
Yeah.
I'm bare face, right?
Right, okay. But your camera
Yeah.
is on your face, so
Yeah.
you're not bare-faced. So if I had to identify you, and I called you a gentleman with blue eyes, that wouldn't be true.
Oh, see,
would it?
the only thing that's missing on your
Yeah.
identification is my eyes. But what I'm saying is, like, if you had facial recognition now, that'd be able to pick me up.
Probably.
Yeah.
I
So
feel like you're massively overestimating.
no,
what
but
we do.
who comes here and stands outside a police station with ill intent
Wanted
like
people.
this? Wanted people? They're going to be in cells quick, aren't they?
Yeah.
This is a critical legal point. A public pavement outside a police station is not private property. Standing there is lawful. Filming from there is lawful. Even if the man had been taking photos, that alone would not constitute an offence. UK case law and guidance are clear. Photography in public spaces is legal unless specific restrictions apply, and none are articulated here.
That's why they want. To
Well, I don't want to be in cells,
That's
but if
fine.
you put me in there, that's fine. You know,
But I've not put myself.
I've done nothing wrong here
You've done
today.
nothing wrong then. But you were taking. Well, I thought you were taking pictures.
Yeah, you thought, yeah.
So that's
But
why
if
I
you
came
check
out.
your cameras, I can promise you
Well, that's why I came
100%
out.
that I wasn't taking pictures.
That's fine.
But it is legal to do so if
never
people
said
wanted
it
to do
wasn't.
so.
At no point have I said it's illegal to take pictures of a police station. What I've said is security concerns.
Right, well, you must know. Have you not had the memo about social media vloggers and stuff like that yet? The memo got sent out to every
Yeah.
constabulary and force and what have you. So you should know about
But
this.
that doesn't change the fact that it can still be a security.
No, I
you
get
can
that.
be a vlogger.
Yeah, but you've got the right
And
to
come and plant
ask.
the bomb.
But what I'm saying is, end
Yeah.
of the day, you know, it's...
Yeah, you're allowed to. Absolutely, you're allowed to. And
Right.
I'm not saying that you can't. What I'm saying is, I would be derelict in my duty if I didn't come
If you didn't
over
come and ask, yeah.
say, excuse me.
It's just the accusing.
What you up to?
It's just the accusing part.
Right. But it's not an It's not an accusation. I'm not saying, hey, you're going to...
No, you did say you seen me taking pictures.
Yeah, but I'm not accusing you of a criminal thing, am I? I'm not saying you're coming over here blowing up my station.
This is crazy, this.
It's crazy, isn't
An
it?
illegal scooter rides past you.
And if I wasn't speaking to a gentleman here who had come to the back of a police station and then spent the best part of 10 minutes being contrary, should we say?
Mate, I can't believe this. I've come here on a legal bike, someone's rode past on an illegal one, and you're accosting me. I think you should be getting on with real crime.
Already. You think
So what are these three doing if they've just let him ride past?
They're standing there to make sure that me and you...
I'm no threat to you, honestly. Constable,
doesn't-
I'm no threat to you whatsoever. I can promise you that
And that's fine.
categorically.
But
I will study
You
here.
can understand that people promise me all sorts of things and don't follow through on it.
Well,
People
okay.
promise me
Well, that's
that
a trust issue, isn't it? You
People
know.
promise me that they've not committed crimes and they have.
Yeah.
People promise me that they aren't wanted and they are.
Yeah.
People promise me they won't assault me and they do.
Are you happy now that you think that I'm not up to no good?
I'm
Yeah,
happy
good.
that if you go on your way, we won't ever need to speak again, will we?
Well, no. Police cars is what I'm interested in. So
What specifically about police cars are you interested
police car spotting.
in? What
so-
specifically are you interested in? If I
The
can
blue
help you,
lights.
I'll do
You
it.
want to look at that one? That's knackered, that one.
Is it?
You only got some talents.
I wish this guy was here first.
All this could have been prevented if you'd just said,
Your
"Oh, mind
attitude
having
could
a
have
look at
prevented
that."
this, miss. Your
No.
attitude. You escalated
I
things.
responded
It's
to
not
your
escalated
attitude. If you'd
No,
have said
you
wanted to
escalated
look
things,
at it,
miss.
we'd have showed
You
how.
escalated things, honestly. Because he already got the wrong end of the stick. I wasn't taking pictures from there when he said I was,
You took
although it's legal to do.
Here comes a common justification: security concerns. But concern is not suspicion, and suspicion is not authority. Police can ask questions, yes, but they cannot invent wrongdoing to justify pressure. The moment officers imply threat without facts, they cross into speculative policing. Notice how the auditor stays focused on one thing: prove the allegation or retract it. That's exactly how lawful resistance looks.
So,
You took exception to me calling you mate,
What-
but
what
you
you
think
did-
it's okay to call him mate every 10 seconds.
Eh?
You can't have it both ways.
of course I can, because
You can't.
you're public servants, right?
No.
Of course.
No,
You're not
you're
supposed
not.
to address me in that manner.
Why?
What
What
manner?
manner am I supposed to address you in?
Well, ask me how I like to be addressed. And he's asked me politely, so I've told him.
So you think that if we come and speak to you politely and you're as obstructive and
I wasn't
rude as you
obstructive.
are,
No, I wasn't
we should then
obstructive.
just sit and take it
So
from
how
you?
was he obstructive in your
Well,
duty?
that's what you think we
I wasn't
should do.
obstructing you in your duty though, was I? You came out here willy-nilly to come and speak to a member of the public,
You were obstructing her
right?
duty.
So if I called you a bloke now, you wouldn't be happy with that, would
Do
you?
you know what's obstructing me in my duty? I've got work to do.
Well, you should go back to do it.
Spend 10 minutes talking to you because you want to have a
For,
look at a
for,
pretty police car.
for a non-crime though, miss. If I was committing
I
crimes,
said I wanted to take a picture of a police car
Doesn't
and we'd have said,
matter.
come up close, mate, and have a
can
look.
You
I?
are committing crime.
Can I come up close?
You can't now, can you? Because
Oh.
of your behaviour and your attitude.
Really?
It's
Well,
appalling.
forgive me then, miss. Come on, let me have a look.
If you're committing crime, we're not here just to solve crime,
So
are we?
see how that's being, come on.
We're not here just to solve crime, are we?
Yeah, but she could have just said, I apologise, right? Can I have a closer look?
Do you want a closer look?
Please.
What specifically do you want a closer look
Just
about?
the whole vehicle,
Specifically?
Just have a look around.
Right, well, next time a police officer's driving about in a car,
Yeah.
knock him down and say, excuse me, Cockle, I like police
Right.
cars.
Okay.
If he's not busy, or she's not busy, or they're not busy,
Yeah.
they may well stop and oblige you with it.
Yeah. But like now we've calmed down, do you not think like
Can I hold your bike?
if you want to? Do
Just-
you not think her attitude's a bit?
No,
That's
she
crazy,
was
that.
acting exactly the way you were acting. The issue with that is you took exception to
No, because I get my back up. When someone says I'm doing something that I'm not, I have to get back to the clarity and go, for one, I wasn't, but two, even if I was, it's still legal to do.
Nobody has ever said it was illegal. Nobody's come out here and said what you're doing is illegal. Have they?
I think you said that at the beginning. I could be wrong. But you definitely said this bike's illegal, right?
Right, well, it looked illegal.
Did it? But yeah,
See,
check it
because-
out.
Because this does that,
Yeah.
it looks illegal.
Yeah, it's because it's pedal assist,
Right.
and all that does is boost the thingy. But it's a 250 watt My Rider, and you can check them out. And that's the only reason why I've gone for this bike. I love a 750 watt, 2000 watt. But what will happen to me?
But if you've got a throttle,
Yeah.
it has to be registered with the DVLA.
Not from the manufacturers. If you look at the manufacturers with this, because it doesn't throttle, it doesn't it doesn't throttle you off. You need it to assist your.
What do you mean it doesn't throttle you off?
We try and get on that and see what set you off.
This is where phishing begins. Requests for names, locality, background, none of which are legally required here. Refusing to provide personal details when no offense is suspected is lawful. The attempt to frame refusal as suspicious is a tactic viewers should recognize. Rights don't evaporate because an officer feels uncomfortable, and the auditor's comb refusal is completely within the law.
It's been a long time since I've
No,
heard
but
a bike.
it doesn't do that as a throttle. So as you're pedalling, it adds power to the motor of a 250 watt motor. So it doesn't go above the.
Right. That's not what this bit's about. 25 kilometres an hour, 15.5 miles.
It won't go over 15.
Yeah. What I'm saying is that's not what that bit's about. That's not 15.5 is for pedal assist alone, not for what they call twist and go. It has a twist and go drop. It doesn't matter how fast. It doesn't matter if it complies with the 15.
Well, if you go onto My Rider's website, they say that for this purpose of bike, they've done everything within the law for road purposes because basically.
That says there, is it?
Well, yeah, but that's just that's the model number of the bike, brand new from the shop.
To say that it's an EAPC.
Pardon?
To say that it's an EAP, an electrical system.
Yeah.
But like I say, it looks with them.
Right.
That's what makes it look illegal.
Yeah.
So it'd have to be checked by our guys who check.
Yeah.
Public animal.
Oh yeah.
So
You check it if you want.
No, it's alright. You're not
Yeah.
riding it, are you?
Eh?
You're not riding it.
Well, I was riding it.
But you're not. Is what I mean. I can't stop you now and say, right, cockle, I'm having this off you.
Yeah, but that guy who went past on the scooter, right?
That's illegal.
It is illegal, isn't it?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
All of them are only allowed on private land.
Yeah.
But because I'm dealing with you, I couldn't deal with him.
Right.
And
So.
great as some people think I am, like my mum, I can't do two things at once.
Yeah. But there was four study, weren't there? But anyway.
Well, when I came out, it was one.
Look, I'm not a grass or anything, so I just used it to make an example. Basically, end of the day, you know, I'm here, literally, interested in the police station and the vehicles.
The front end of the police station is more interesting.
I've already been there.
Oh,
I'm surprised you've not seen me.
The late, I'll see you through that wall, can I?
So you
I'll
haven't
see you
got.
through a window.
So then windows don't go to the front, though.
That one doesn't, no.
Right. But anyway, yeah, like I say.
There's no issues with what you're doing. I just need to check because if you are a terrorist and you're going to blow up my station, I need to know.
Yeah, definitely not.
And I'd be derelict in my duty if I didn't come out.
If you didn't ask, yeah, I just think the approach might be better in the future because basically, it's like.
At the end of the day, you were here specifically to get the reaction out of me that you got, weren't you? That's why you've got glasses on that recording things.
Well, no.
This moment exposes the contradiction perfectly. A genuinely illegal scooter passes by, ignored, while officers continue interrogating a man doing nothing unlawful. This is selective enforcement in real time. It highlights how challenge, not crime, becomes the trigger. When authority is questioned, scrutiny intensifies. When actual violations occur quietly, they're often overlooked.
It is, isn't it?
Really? Well, that's like saying I can
would be
control
my-
you.
That would be my assumption.
I can't control what you do, so
No, absolutely, of course you can't.
you know.
And I can't.
And can I call you?
I can control what you do.
Can I call you mate?
You can call me what you want. I've been called much worse, even today.
Well, you know, I'm just saying in a mately fashion
I
here.
don't know why I'm holding your bike and
I
you're
can't
not.
control what anybody comes out to say to me. But
Well,
like I said, I
what you
definitely
can
wasn't
say-
taking pictures at the beginning, and that's why I wanted to 100% say, look, if you have got time at some point, you check your cameras back, and I can honestly say I wasn't taking pictures.
That's fine. And like I say, even if you were,
It's
allowed
legal.
to,
Yeah, exactly.
what you're not allowed to do is blow up the police station.
No.
And that's what I need to find out what's going on.
Yeah.
And if you're not, and you're going about your business and you're doing everything that's perfectly lawful, and you're perfectly lawful, you can do what you want.
Yeah.
But I've got to check.
Yeah. I don't blame you for checking and just having a quick word with me and going, oh, you know, how are you? And what's your
Like
purposes
I say,
of being
when,
here?
When people get their backs up, there's a thing called potatoes boxes. Your attitude controls my attitude controls your attitude.
Yeah.
You know, so if you get angry, then I get angry, then you get angry, and all of a sudden we're up here and we don't need to be.
Yeah, but I thought your
what I'm
training
saying.
covers that though.
It does. And that's why we're still talking here and there's nobody hog-tied on the floor.
Yeah.
Handcuffs.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day, people are allowed to do what they want.
Within reason, yeah. As long as
As
they're
long
not
as you're
committing
not
no
breaking any
crimes.
laws,
Yeah.
That's fine. You can come, you can take pictures of the skip if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Don't know why you would, but you can.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is I need to check.
Okay.
And we've checked and we're happy and everything's
Spot
good.
on.
I assume you're going to go about your business?
Yeah, like I say, I'll just,
Far longer here than we needed to.
if I stay half an hour, it's half an hour. If I don't, if it's 10 minutes, 10 minutes. But yeah, if I see any more police cars whilst I'm on this street, happy days. You know. I'd rather see a Volvo though, because them Astras are getting a bit.
That's a Peugeot, that one.
Oh, is it a Peugeot, that?
Yeah, they're not the greatest in the world, but they get the job done.
Well, that's it. And with blue lights.
That's all you need.
Yeah.
There's no point having anything flash, because otherwise it'd be one of those weird Tesla things and we'd be doing 180 mile an hour, whatever it is that they do.
You'd run out of electric.
Yeah, we get halfway to it and then we'd stop.
Right. So we're happy that, you know, I'm not here to cause any harm. Because I'm not. I can understand your concerns for checking to see what someone might be up to, but like I say, everything I'm doing is legal.
Nobody's ever questioned that. Well, not, you know what I mean? We question it because we need to come out and check, but nobody's ever said that it was. Once we found out what's going on.
Let's be clear about what happened. No crime committed, no photos proven, no lawful grounds for suspicion. What we witnessed was escalation driven by attitude, not action. This encounter didn't need multiple officers or raised voices. It needed verification and respect. Knowledge of the law prevented detention today. If you value real accountability content like this, like the video, share it, and subscribe to Court Hiest. Awareness protects rights.
But I really think her attitude's don't like.
Her attitude was part of your attitude.
Yeah, but she's a detective sergeant.
Right.
Whoa. That's like headline news, that.
Why?
Because how'd she get there? That's what I'm questioning.
She took an exam and passed it.
Really?
Yeah, she's very, very competent at what she does.
Really?
Yeah.
Still get agitated, mate. People still.
Over nothing though, mate.
Like you've just said, everybody here is just a person.
Yeah.
No, so she gets annoyed at you, you get annoyed at her.
Done
Yeah.
now anyway.
Sorted now, innit?
Your bike takes down as well before you make out.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you. Anyway, are you playing a community support officer? Traffic as well.
They're old now, aren't they?
So, what powers have you got then for on the road?
They're old now then. These went out well before. These are just old vests now. They need to. I think they just need new vests.
Do you not have powers though?
Yeah, I've got road powers, yeah.
Do you?
Yeah, I can get a car lifted and whatnot, yeah.
Can you?
Yeah. It's causing obstruction. That's the main one, obstruction, whether it was in front, if it was obstruction a pathway or if it was blocking a driveway.
Yeah.
Like yeah, like double yellows and all that, that's all counts.
Really?
But yeah,
But how does
these
she...
are old, these, I think this traffic thing, I've only been here for a year or so, but I think these are old, these now.
Are they?
The traffic bit. I think they are anyway.
I can tell who runs this, Nick. It's that woman.
I've never met her.
Have you not?
See you in a bit anyway.
Hey, you take care, my friend, yeah? Have a good day. So guys, spend a bit of time here. But yeah, how crazy was that? I thought I was getting lifted at one point. Trying to escalate things. Saying I'm getting aggressive and that. Whoa.